folks, and welcome back. Okay, the good news is, thanks to a friend, I've got another carb rubber inlet to replace the damaged one. So that can go on. But the bad news is that carbs are more broken than before. There's two legs broken where the pins sit, and worse still, it's now very damaged where one of the pilot screws sit. The screw was badly chewed. I couldn't get it out, so in a last hope I took it to my local garage, and well, these things happen. Now I've tried to repair them with aluminium brazing. It does work, but in this case the repair jobs are too small. This is what happens. Oh no, look, I think this is gone. Funny, it has. Too much heat on it. Disaster. Oh, it has melted. It's probably my own fault for putting it in there. You live and you learn. Well, it maybe works for some things, but on this occasion I have failed to succeed. So unfortunately I've only got 2 good carbs out of the 4. I think I need a replacement set. You know, when you get that feeling when you just want to chuck something in the bin? Oh, today's like that. No, it's not been a good day, folks, and everything's actually gone wrong. What do I do next? I've got an idea. Something I haven't tried yet. Oh great, the drill bit's now broken. Oh dear, it's my luck. The drill bit's broken inside. Oh, it's not my day. Well, this is even more of a disaster. I don't think I've got any hope. Moving about in there, but it just won't come out. Well folks, I do apologise. Today's video has been unsuccessful. Tried my best, but I won't give up. No, that's not coming out. It's not my day. But you can see what I was trying to do, folks. Put a little screw that will go in between the 2 parts to hold it together, and then I would use something along the lines of a petrol resistant metal putty or something around it. I would say I hope you enjoyed, folks, but I'm sorry. Yeah, I think I'm beaten today. Well, hopefully I'll have better news for you next time, folks. I'm going to leave it at that. To be continued, and thanks for watching. Good news, folks. There's been a development. I've just heard from a friend who's in a position to help, so off camera I am going to put everything back together and post the carbs south. Hopefully they'll come back fully restored, like I said, to be continued.